Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial. Today we will learn how to save a NumPy array as an image in Python. Converting NumPy arrays into images is a crucial step in data visualization, image processing, and machine learning applications. In this tutorial, we will cover 4 primary methods for saving NumPy arrays as images. First, we will use the imageio.imwrite function to save NumPy arrays as image files. Second, we will explore imwrite from OpenCV, which is commonly used for handling images in computer vision tasks. Third, we will use from array function from the PIL library to convert NumPy arrays into images and save them. Finally, we will use imsave function to save an image using matplotlib. Let's get started and explore these methods in detail. The imageio.imwrite function from the imageio library provides a simple way to save NumPy arrays as images in various formats. It supports multiple file types, making it highly versatile. However, it lacks advanced image processing features. Let's see how to use this function and save a random NumPy array. Here we generate a random grayscale image and save it using imwrite function. We specify the file name and the directory in the function. The astype function ensures that pixel values are in the correct format, that is 0 to 255, before saving. OpenCV's imwrite function is widely used for image processing and allows efficient saving of images from NumPy arrays. It is optimized for performance and widely used in real-time applications. Let's use this function. This code generates a random RGB image and saves it as a JPG file using OpenCV's imwrite in the specified directory. The from array function from the PIL library allows easy conversion of NumPy arrays into images and supports multiple formats. It provides flexible mode handling but may not support some advanced image processing tasks. Let's see how to use this function. In this example, we create a grayscale image from a NumPy array and save it as a JPG file using PIL. This method is especially useful when working with different image modes such as grayscale, RGB, and more. Matplotlib's imsave function provides a simple way to save an image from a NumPy array while allowing color map customization. It is particularly useful for scientific visualization but does not support complex image processing tasks. Let's see an example. Here, imsave function exports the NumPy array as an image while allowing customization of the color map. This is particularly useful for scientific visualizations and heat maps. To summarize, we explored 4 methods to save a NumPy array as an image in Python. First, we used imageio.imwrite, which provides a simple way to save images in multiple formats, though it lacks advanced features. Second, we used OpenCV's imwrite, which is widely used in computer vision applications and is optimized for performance. Third, we used from array function from the PIL library, offering flexibility in working with different image modes, though it is not suited for high-performance applications. Finally, we used matplotlib.pyplot.imsave, which allows saving images with customizable color maps but is mainly useful for visualization purposes. Each method has its own advantages and disadvantages, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Also, check out the website delphstack.com for articles on Python tutorials.